And this is it. Welcome back to Laguna Seca Raceway. I love this track so much. We got the track record of the C8 out here. I mean, the sun's coming out. Today's gonna be such an awesome day, and we're gonna be inside the brand new C8 Z06. Yep, we are taking the ultimate track-focused C8 Corvette ever made out on track today to find out what it's like and get some good content for all of you today. Major shout out to Chevrolet for having us out, because as many of you all know, tracking is what we do, and we've gotten so many great times with these vehicles. And I think we were the first to really pioneer tracking the C8 Stingray. I mean, we went everywhere with that car. Every track, Laguna Seca here so many times. I've got a pretty good baseline. So I cannot wait to see how this drives, or this is in comparison. Please let me know what you think beforehand, and then get ready to hear a 5.5 liter flat plane crank scream. Now here we are in Monterey, California, well, next to Salinas, for Monterey Car Week, and Chevrolet is making a statement here with the Z06, trying to show the world what their mid-engine supercar can do. Really cool how they are out here at Laguna Seca, because this is a track car again. This track with the C8 is unbelievable. Full throttle over the hill. Are they gonna do it? Full throttle. There they go. Yellow's going for the pass on turn 1. They're holding the apex line. They're gonna keep going. No, just kidding. In the C8 Stingray, we're full throttle all the way over turn 1, over the hill. Do not let off the gas. The car will hook down with the downforce in the mid-engine chassis. The beauty of this track is that I call it the great equalizer, because you truly get to find how fast a car is through all sorts of corners, high-speed downforce corners, getting out of the apex at a low speed, everything, you name it. Threshold braking, yep. Honestly, right away, I think it's gonna be night and day different with the wide body, also the carbon fiber wheels, the 345 Cup 2R tires, the stickiest tires you can buy, a ton more downforce, and a whole lot more horsepower. It's gonna be night and day, I believe. Now I know that first drive impressions are under embargo. I've not driven the car yet. Hopefully I get the chance to do so soon. But today we're gonna show you what it's like at its home. So here we have the C8 Z06s lined up, ready to go out on track. This one is finished in a rapid blue with all the carbon fiber aero on it, all throughout, the extra dive planes up front for the front end, downforce, the wide body kit. You can see how much wider it is with this body line that protrudes out. It shows you exactly how much wider it gets, right? You see that angle? Goes back into the bodywork. Now on our own C8 Z06, we have ordered the carbon fiber wheels. You gotta do it if you want to track. I'm very curious to see with the new MagneRide and the FE7 suspension that this car is equipped with, how much of an improvement will it be? 275s up front. That is an extremely wide tire. That's 3 full sizes wider than the front tires of the Stingray. We rock 245s, and I'm told this car has a track camber on it. Currently, they're putting on a brand new fresh set of Cup 2Rs, which are, again, 275 width up front and 345s out back. This is what a brand new version of the Cup 2R looks like. Yeah, so the grip should be absolutely unreal right now. I've only driven on Cup 2Rs one time with the Ferrari 48 Pista, and that car was insane with these tires. And this is much wider and I think taller tires as well than the Pista. This thing should be insane out here. And as you can see, bending down, this has got about 2 track days on them. Currently, they're wearing pretty evenly, as you can see. Now, this car does have the track camber, which I believe is around -2 to -3. That should be what it is from last I heard. Now, these wheels, the carbon fiber wheels, they are an extra about $11,000, and we made sure to get them on our order, because the deal you're getting with them versus competitors out there can be 3 times the price. And not only are these finished the same way by the same company, essentially, Carbon Revolution, but they are wider and taller than any other carbon wheel out there. Just got the checker flag. Let's see them fly by. As you can see, right in front of us, we have a 70th anniversary edition C8 Z06 with the full aero package, because it is, again, a Z07 model with the carbon ceramic brakes. Being the 70th anniversary model, it does not have the carbon fiber wheels, but in its own right, it looks very crazy, especially made into this pace car with all the red accents all throughout the vehicle. I love this Alcantara interior, I gotta be honest. It looks very, very cool, very exotic-like, I have to say, with the finish. But moving all the way backwards, see, this is what the engine looks like without the carbon fiber cover that we saw during the reveal. It looks very, very crazy. And it says LT6 on the side, as you can see. Cannot wait to find out how it performs on this racetrack altogether. Very crazy. And luckily we are riding in the one that we're basically getting, the carbon fiber wheel equipped Z07. I cannot wait. So you know what? Let's let these cars finish warming up and let's see how they perform on this racetrack for a ride along.
So Z, right? So this is exhaust open. Stealth.
Oh my gosh, that's night and day.
Yeah, big difference in that.
Check this out, the wing vibrates. I'm holding it. Oh my gosh, race car. Okay, here we go, about ready to go out on track. Let's do this.
You want to go one more to warm up? Go, do one more, go warm up, one more.
All right, here we go, hopping inside. All right, sir, thank you so much. Here we go, getting on track in the Z06. Thank you so much, sir. Really, really appreciate it. It's just the sound, everything with it, it just is amazing. Anyways, Ron, thank you so much for those laps.
Thank you.
I cannot wait to join you at the school because, you know, you guys are going to be adding these right in the future. I cannot wait. This thing is made to go on the track, and stay tuned for driving impressions when those are allowed to come out, but ton of fun, and you're a great driver. I can say that.
Thank you.
I think everyone's going to love it.
This is the first time I've driven it, and man, oh man. What
First time?
This is the first time.
This is the best track for it, in my opinion.
Well, this is a fun track, yes. You've got the, this is the ultimate roller coaster ride. And you want to go for one heck of a ride, this is your car.
And sound the best while doing it.
And sound the best, yes.
Anyways, thank you again.
Thank you.
Woo! She just got out of the car. I mean, I am so pumped right now. This thing is insane! Insane! I cannot wait to get it. We will be breaking some lap records. Gotta get some Diet Coke right now. Just trying to stay hydrated, man. I'm just smiling nonstop. This was so much fun out here. Major thank you to Chevrolet. Cannot wait to bring our car out here. And also tracking at all the tracks across the country. It's a track car, it's a race car first, and that's what I love most about it. You have not a clue. Not a clue right now. I've got the biggest smile on my face. I'm gonna hold it probably until I get it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, it's helping me out. Stay tuned for 10 more C806 videos out here. This is just one of them, one of the many. And if you want to learn more about it, obviously, subscribe to the notification bell to check out the ones coming up next. Anyways, thanks again. Hit the like button, smash that like button. I'll see all of you in the next episode.